Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Guohaoi heated blanket, electric blanket, and you're getting an error on it, like maybe an E or an F error, or maybe it's just blinking and it's not heating properly, and you are wondering what's going on and how can you get your blanket working again. Now, the number one reason that you're going to have these kind of issues with these electric blankets is going to be a connection issue. Because the controller will work. There's obviously enough electricity going to the controller because it's blinking or giving you an error, but there's not enough electricity actually going to the blanket to actually heat up. And so all you need to do to fix this is just turn your blanket off and unplug it, and then just check all the connections going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket, and make sure everything is snug. There's nothing loose or disconnected or damaged or anything like that. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to plug your blanket back in, but don't plug it in via an extension cord or a power strip or anything like that. Plug it directly into the wall, and make sure it's plugged in nice and snug. And if you turn it on and it works and there's no more error, well, that probably means that the extension cord you were using or the power strip that you were using was just not heavy duty enough for the electrical needs of the blanket. And you'll need to use it plugged in directly to the wall or via an extension cord that's more heavy duty. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.